Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java nested loops are tricky, but we will solve this pattern fast. Let's find the code that prints this decreasing triangle of numbers.
First, notice the output has 5 rows. The outer loop variable j starts at 1 and goes to 5, which matches all our options. Each row prints the current value of j. Next, look at the count of numbers per row. The first row has 5 ones, while the last row has only 1 5. This means the inner loop must run fewer times.
In choice D, the inner loop starts at 5 and counts down to j. This correctly decreases iterations as j increases for each row. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for option D.